doTERRA's product support team is available to answer any questions or concerns you might have when using essential oils. A question that's often asked is, are essential oils safe to use on my kids? The answer is simple: yes. Essential oils are safe and effective for the whole family. To ensure you have a positive experience, follow these safety tips from doTERRA's Chief Medical Officer, Dr. David K. Hill.
Essential oils are powerful. To ensure that you have a positive experience, use these tips to safely enjoy the amazing benefits of your favorite essential oils. First, avoid getting oils in your eyes or ears. You'll want to avoid contact with any sensitive areas on the body, so make sure that you wash your hands after applying oils. If you happen to get a little oil in your eyes, flush it out with olive, vegetable, or fractionated coconut oils. Your natural reaction might be to use water, but keep in mind that oil and water don't mix. Using water might actually make things worse. Second, be sure to look at an oil's label and review the doTERRA product guide for usage and directions. Many oils can be used internally, topically, and aromatically. However, not all of the oils can be used with all three application methods. You'll also want to note the sensitivity chart and make sure you are diluting an oil properly. If you have sensitive skin, you might want to keep a carrier oil handy when trying an oil for the first time. You could also try the doTERRA Touch line, which features some of the most popular essential oils pre-diluted for use on small children or anyone with sensitive skin. Third, avoid using citrus oils topically when going into direct sunlight. Citrus oils can be photosensitive and can cause discoloration of the skin. Even using a tanning bed and using the citrus oils topically should be avoided. Finally, remember that because essential oils are very potent, a little goes a long way. You only need 1 or 2 drops to experience the incredible benefits of doTERRA's essential oils.